Meadowsweet is a very common and useful herb. It sort of likes growing in damp meadows and kind of swamps, in damp woodland. It will grow in sun or shade. Here it's growing in like a thick swamp vegetation. It's not really a marginal plant, but it will grow in kind of damp or saturated grounds, particularly ground that's seasonally saturated like here. Whereas there's none once I get into the shallow water here. There's none at all here. It kind of stops. It spreads by underground rhizomes, forms these big clumps, and it's very prolific. It's found in Europe and Asia, bits of North Africa, but it's also naturalized in North America and some other places. The flowers are very sort of like fuzzy like that, and quite gently scented, not strongly scented, just to kind of have a nice little harmonious kind of aroma to them. And they flower from June to September. They do have quite a long flowering season, and then they have really interesting looking seeds after that. The leaves are divided. See each leaf coming off the main stem there, divided into pairs of leaflets here, and then at the end there's like an amalgamation of leaflets all kind of like that. So that's how they're instantly recognizable, by having this kind of weird lump of conjoined leaflets at the end of each leaf. And the backs are also very silvery like that. And they have, they keep on throwing up flowers till about September. So the flowers can be used to flavor or make wine, and the leaves can be used for herb tea. You can eat the roots, like in the winter when they're dormant, they are edible, but the medicinal properties are generally from the top bits here. So inflammation, digestion, rheumatism and arthritis. There's all sorts of things that they do, really, and it's supposed to be like a mild painkiller. But yeah, the flowers taste a bit grim. Just eat one. Yeah, they're nasty, but tea is thought to be better, and they're sort of quite nice when added to flavouring to things, but on their own they're a bit strong. It's like having a pinch of cinnamon or something on its own. It's kind of a useful plant, very common. Woodlands, if it's like damp woodlands, swamps, you just always find them. They're just very, very plentiful and common, so just using some of these isn't really a problem. For inflammation, you can sort of just pick off a leaf, just like you do with other herbs, and squish it and just apply it. So it's very kind of soothing, also very good like that for aching joints and rheumatics, things like that. But yeah, some leaf tea with